Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging out with me and my fuzzy sidekicks here. So happy you're here. We hope you stick around, hit that subscribe. If you are new, I'm Laura. Wyatt is the white puppy dog. Xena is the brown puppy dog. I'm not sure how much of her you're going to see. She considers this to be sleepy time, but they like to be in the room for me. So with me, if I lock them out, then they don't like that, but they just like to snooze while I work. It sounds about right. Today I am super excited because I got this giant Oceanista box to share with you. I love Oceanista. So you may be familiar with the subscription box and the seasonal boxes that come, all with an amazing beachy ocean vibe, which I love so much. But Oceanista is a lot more than that as well. So it's not just the boxes, but it is a beach boutique. So we'll talk about that a little bit as well. But what I have to share with you today is the fall box. I took everything out of the bigger box. And we're going to talk about the fall box. Let's get into it. I love Oceanista. First of all, these boxes. Are they not the most beautiful things you've ever seen? The drawing with the girl and her bag and the beach and the hat. The back says, "Take me to the ocean." I love that it says, "Hello, sunshine." Salty, what does it say? Salty hair and sandy toes. There's just so much to love about the box itself that I never want to throw them away. I just want to keep them forever. And then even it says the Oceanista, a woman who embodies the very essence of the ocean. All right, but we will dig in because, of course, I'm here to show you all the amazing goodies that JJ, who is the creator, designer, curator of all things Oceanista. She does such an amazing job. She's worked so hard on Oceanista that it's just amazing to me. So right inside the box, I see this little pamphlet. And the theme for the fall is under the palms. You guys know how much I love palms. And let's see, JJ has a little note on the inside, and it says, "Happy autumn, Oceanistas. We're certainly looking forward to the cooler weather after the end of summer heat wave that's just passed in our area." She does live in California. "And we hope you are as well, because you will find that this season's box is chock full of cozy essentials. Getting wrapped up in a plush blanket with my favorite warm drink sounds perfect right about now. The beauty of the 4 seasons is that they don't overstay their welcome. And before we know it, we'll be missing the sunshine. It's a nice cycle. The Oceanista team is in love with our product picks this season, and they are truly exciting us for the fall season. We hope you feel the same way. To all our lovely customers, thank you for your loyalty, support, feedback, and patience." And then the rest of the book is going to go through the items in the box. Let's do it. Look at the sticker. Even says under the palms on it. Don't want to rip anything. All right. Oh, there's so many goodies in here. Oh, this is so nice. All right. So it looks like JJ sent me some extra items so I can share with you the differences, hence my huge box. And I'm so happy to be able to do that because there tends to be a variety of, people can get different things in their boxes. All right, let's start. Oh, so many good things. I don't know where to start. We're going to start with the first thing I see, which is this little bowl. And it is called the Palm Tree Coconut Candle Holder. And look how cute this is. Love palm trees. I love it. This is so cute. Can you see that? Can you see the palm tree there? See, there's the trunk of the tree and the palms. I love that. Both sides. That is so cute. So it's 100% natural. Wyatt likes it. He's sniffing it now. Handcrafted by artisans. And it's long lasting. It says, every year, millions of coconut shells are discarded as waste. We give them a new life as a beautiful candle holder that you can enjoy every day. Each coconut candle holder is a piece of art crafted by hand and beautifully designed by our team of skilled artisans in Vietnam. The Palm Tree Coconut Candle Holder is designed to bring you tropical and cozy vibes, perfect for fall. and it retails for $28. And look how cute that is. You can see it lit up. I love it. It's so adorable. I will definitely use this. I love it. And mine fell out, but you also get candles with it. And look how cute those are. Little seashells in them. I love it. So these are called Wooden Wick Tea Lights, handmade with love by Oceanista. Oh, I love these. And they smell amazing. So I have 4 of them here that made a break for it in my box. But these are just beautiful and fit perfectly inside my little coconut candle holder, which I'm gonna have to put on my desk and light, even though I'm afraid to, because it's so cute with a little shell that I'm not gonna wanna burn them because it's too cute. But if I run out, I probably can buy more off of the Oceanista boutique, which we'll talk about. All right, let's not get hung up on one thing. I know. Next up is the Betty Hula Nourishing Antibacterial Hand Moisturizer. This is Champagne and Spice. This is a full size. This is valued at $17.90. Soft and hygienic hands in one attractive tube. Betty Hula's antibacterial hand cream leaves your hands feeling deeply moisturized and germ-free. So this is a 150 milliliter bottle, and the natural silver chromide-based antibacterial recipe is not only kind to skin, but it's one of a kind in hand moisturizers. It's heavy. This jar is heavy. There's more. What is this? Jewelry. She almost always includes jewelry in each of her boxes, which I love. These are called the Ivory Palm Reversible Earrings. Handmade clay jewelry by Jill Zara. Designed in Chicago. I think this must be her, Jill Zara. Look how cute these are. So cute. And then, okay, and then you can, I guess, reverse it, and then the other side is ivory. How cute is that? That's adorable. All right, I have the Jackie Crossbody bag. How cute is that? So this says, the Jackie is the perfect bag for only carrying the basics on the go. This stylish bag has an adjustable glasses holder that you can utilize when you want to wear your sunglasses or opt to leave them at home. The open sleeve pocket in the back is perfect for storing cash, tickets, or other items that you want to have more easily accessible, while the zip pocket allows you to store your phone or passport in a more secure location. Complete with 2 individual card slots, this is perfect for storing your license, credit cards, or gift cards on the go. The value of this is $85.99. So let's see all these goodies. I love when it has the little feet on the bottom. It's so cute. All right, so it has a beautiful little gold strap detail for the crossbody. I love a crossbody. I carry everything crossbody now, like all the time. It has that opening here in the back for that loose stuff. And then, oh, I like the, here's what she was talking about with the glass holder. This has some nice room to it. Credit cards, zipper pocket for things you want to make sure you don't lose. But this is nice and big. Nicely laid out, and such a pretty color in this blue. I really like this. What do you think? That's really cute. All right. Next is the 4-side. It says the hand-woven outdoor safe Dylan or Harriet throw. This is heavy, and it is, what size is it? It's 60 by 50, and it retails for $60. think why it's on top of my scissors. You on top of the scissors, buddy? Yep, let me grab them. Okay. I'm going to show this to you. This is so nice. And there's two different colored options. She sent me both to show you what they look like. So let me do that because they're really nice. 60 by 50. That is such a great size. So check out this nice color. Will go with so much. Tans and the whites. Has the fringe detail on the bottom here, tassels. I love that. And then the other color, let me see what it says. It says, Harriet and Dylan are the perfect cozy casual throws. Our textiles are hand-loomed by Indian artisans using techniques passed down through generations. Cozy up indoors or out with soft, high-quality UV stabilizing yarns. So the Dylan is one I just showed you. It's the perfect blend of function and style, thick woven yarns and contrasting neutral colors to create a simple stripe pattern. And the other one I'm going to show you is called the Harriet, which is white tassels and thick braided yarn sit upon a two-toned woven blue and white base. And it sits well with modern decor or transitions easy to a more casual, laid-back setting. So here's the other one. You decide which one you like better. Check that out. The detail in this is amazing. This is gorgeous. So here's the two. Let me do it this way so you can see. Beautiful, right? Beautiful. All right, but there's still one more item. And that is the Katarina tassel shawl. And I have two of them to share with you. And we are going to try them on. Yes, we are. How cute is this? So you could choose between the shawl. So there was two different colors, the pink and the blue. You can see there. Check how pretty that is. I love the palm print, the pink, so pretty. I love it. I'm gonna just put it on here so you guys can see what it looks like. It says super soft, luxurious fabric. The Katarina tassel shawl is the perfect piece for transition from summer to fall. Oh, is this not beautiful? I love it. Featuring tassels for elegant draping over the shoulder. These are easy to wear and instantly elevate any outfit. The retail is $36.95. I love this. Has little tassels on either side. The coloring is gorgeous. Then she also sent me one of the other options, which was a top by Andre the Eunice. Check this out. This was another choice you could make instead of this shawl. How pretty is that? It's a little wrap over, open, has like the pleating there. Well, I should say elastic. It has elastic here at the bottom, and then it has like the little gathers. But I'll put it on so you can see what that looks like. So pretty. I love everything. That is all of the items. What did you think? I, of course, love everything Oceanista, so I am a definite fan. Let's try this one on. I do like that she gives so many options, but I can't imagine how much work that is on her side. So check that out. So you would have to wear something underneath it, but it's nice and loose fitting. Has the little crossover. Be super pretty just with denim because it has the pretty blue in it. Has the kimono sleeve and then a little bit of elastic just right here in the front, and then it hangs longer in the back. See, it's a little bit longer in the back. Isn't that pretty? Love. That was my box. What did you think? I thought it was so good. I loved it. I thought it was so good, but let me know, comment down below. I love when she sends me a few of the extra pieces so I can share with you. So in case you want to go check any of them out, you know what they look like. All right, so as I mentioned, Oceanista isn't just about the box, but it's a full beach boutique. And in that boutique, she sells accessories, beach bags, home products, beauty and wellness. So basically the products that end up inside the boxes, she also sells on her site. Clothing, holiday items, home fragrances, jewelry, shoes, swimwear. So check it out. If you're not interested in getting the whole box, you can generally find many of these items on her site and just shop them all individually. So you can still grab some of your favorite items. I love that. I'm going to go into just one of the items on her site and show with you what I mean. So I'm checking out the clothing right now, and you'll see that items from past boxes. So the fun pants. I love these little pants that were in, I think, the spring box, as well as the little dolman sleeve romper, you'll remember. These are all from past boxes. Beach cover-ups, so many things, but there's even more stuff than just what's been in boxes. But if you're looking for something beachy, go check out her site. She has so much. The jewelry is beautiful. The beauty products are awesome. The fragrances are great. So do go and check it out if you'd like. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I always love bringing you my Oceanista boxes. I think JJ does such an amazing job. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like before you go. Hope you hit that subscribe. Hang out for the long haul. As always, I'll put all the information for Oceanista down below, as well as the boutique. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.